What's going on, everybody? It's Lena back to do another video, and as you can see, I found another high yield investment platform that I'm going to take a ride with. Okay, this is another video. I'm on a road to creating passive income. As with anything you do online, again, you definitely have to be careful of where you invest your money. Okay, if you watch my other video, my Amazing 5 video, you'll see that I mentioned that quite a few times. Okay, so I'm creating passive income. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and like a lot of other marketers online that's doing the same thing, a good sponsor will tell you just be careful and do your research. Okay, so I joined Forex King today. And after doing a little research on them for a few days, I definitely liked everything that I've seen about them. Okay, the layout of the website is as you can see is perfectly done. It's neat. You know, I look at the way the website is laid out first, and then I determine you know if it's something I'm going to get involved with. Okay. As you guys can see, they have quite a few investment plans that you can actually get involved with. Most of these are, as you can see, they pan out a lot. Okay, depending on what plan you want to go with, determines on how much you're going to get back, and it also tells you for how many days it has it takes till it matures. Okay, so one of the things you can probably try and do, you can get in for as low as $10 here, and you get 2.1 cents daily for 15 days. Okay, so the neat thing I like about this is how neat the website is laid out. And for someone that's really just want to come in and test the site out and see how the website is generating your return and paying out, you would come in for as low as $10. Okay. All right. So as you can see right here, if you put in $10, your total return will be $13.15. Okay. So if someone wants to come in, let's just say with $50, calculate your profit. You're gonna gain $15.75. I like the fact that the website gives you so many different plans to choose from. Forex King has been around for a while, so it's not like they have just launched maybe a day or two. But the general overview of the website is really what made me do a little research on them, and I've been researching them for probably about I'm gonna say about 3 weeks now. Okay, in between all the other things I have going on. Okay, so as you can see here too, with their referral commissions, it tells you what you get here. Like first level, you get 5%. Second level, 2. Third level is 1.5, which is not bad. It's really not bad if you are someone that likes to refer people to come into the business. Um, you can make some extra money besides for making interest on whatever you deposit into the system. Okay, so I wanted to come on and just test the system, and here I go right here. One thing I like, that everything is updated in real time. Once I did my deposit, I actually went on and seeing that my one of the last investors to put money into the system. So that's neat. I don't really see that too much on other high yield investment platforms. You don't see where everything is updated in real time. So I like that about Forex King. Also, it's telling you who's being paid out and how much they're being paid out, and what processor, or that's Bitcoin, that they're being paid out from. Okay, they also have security, a lot of security on this website, as you can see here, which is a beautiful thing for the investors, as well as the people that's actually running the site. You know, that's very, very good. As you can see, Payeer, Solid Trust Pay, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and Payeer. Well, Payeer, I said that already. It's basically the processors that you can use. Of course, I go with Solid Trust Pay. I love Payza, but unfortunately, they don't take Payza here. So I just started the site, and like I said, I did a lot of research on these guys for a few. And if you watch my other videos, you'll see that I always say, and it's just risky. Not I'm gonna say risky, but it's just you have to just do your research, okay? So a site, I'm not gonna say, a lot of people say, and myself, I believe in a lot of instances that when sites are brand new is when the momentum is high, and that's the best time to get in. But this site here has been around for a minute, and they have live chat, which the live chat they said is awesome. Okay, they said the live chat is awesome. Sometimes when you get into any type of site, um, they'll say live chat, and then you have to send an email, and somebody will get back to you, and that may take a moment for that to happen. Okay, so again, I signed up today, and me, like I said, I'm a big person about um, passive income. You can get into one high yield investment company or one red share, but do you really want to put all your eggs in one basket? I mean, ask yourself. If you're just someone online that's trying to make money, you're trying to make passive income, you're trying to maybe leave your job eventually, are you really going to depend on one platform to do that for you? I'm not saying that it's not possible, but if you spread your eggs around, it'll be better and more beneficial for you. I mean, some people have a lot of money laying around that they can just, you know, maybe pour in about $100,000 into at one time. I'm just talking about the everyday average person that works a 9 to 5, and you just want to create a different way of living for yourself and your family. So you have to be able to um, put your eggs in different baskets, so that way you're able to eventually be able to have that passive flow of cash coming in. We have numerous bills. If you think of relying on one source of income to pay numerous bills, you definitely do not want to you don't want to do that, okay? So what I do is I'm involved in rev shares as well as high yield investment platforms. And like I said, I tell anybody, start off small. There's nothing wrong with starting off small, because every dollar means something. So if you put $23 in the system, $25 in the system, and they're paying you 2.1% return on that, it's better than putting it in the bank where you're not going to get, you might get 2.1% at the end of the year after 12 months. Okay, let me say that. So again, I always say, for if you want to get into anything online, start small. A lot of people are risk takers. They may, like I said, put in about $300 or $400 into a system, or $1,000 or $10,000, but you have to do what you're more comfortable with. Okay. So as you can see, I just signed up today. My registration date is April the 23rd, which is today. And like I said, I did the research on this website, and they've been around for quite a minute. Okay, so that's one of the things that I like about Forex King. They've been around for a minute, so they know what they're doing. Okay, so if you decide to come into Forex King, you're coming in with somebody that basically will help you out and take you by your hand and lead you. As you can see, I can just, I can say it like this: I can promote one company, okay? But I'm a big fanatic of not putting all my eggs in one basket. I am not a big fanatic of putting all my eggs in one basket, okay? There's a lot of money to be made online. There's a lot of money to lose online, okay? And there's a lot to learn online, which is priceless, okay? So, again, just do your research, okay? And anything that I'm going to do in this arena, because a lot of people are afraid to step out. They're afraid to lose money. I mean, I am too, like a lot of other people. But if you think about starting off small and seeing what something has to offer, I mean, it's going to benefit you in the long run. As you can see, this is like the stock market over in New York City, where you go to Wall Street and look up, and back in the day, you see the numbers and everything rolling across outside when you're walking through. This is exactly similar to how that looks, okay? All right, so again, I wanted to come on and do a brief video about something that I think is going to be explosive. I mean, it's already explosive because they've been around for quite a long time, okay? And once if you do this to come in, go through the different tabs at the top of the page. I'm a big fanatic of educating myself. It basically tells you exactly how to get started. You open your account, you deposit your funds, and then your earnings start to come in. And then you, of course, at the end of the day, you can go ahead and withdraw your funds, okay? I'm a big fanatic of compounding too. So I'll put a little in, and I'll see what the system has to offer. Again, you can't just tell me anything. I have to test the waters for myself. But this is definitely something, if you want to get into high yield investing, this is a company that you really want to take a further look at, okay? And again, I will leave a link below in this video, and my Facebook information as well. If you want to come in, even with Forex King, you could come in like I'm in with Amazing 5, which is another amazing platform, high yield investment platform. I would definitely love to have you aboard. I have a great sponsor making a killing, making a lot of money online, and he's definitely one that you would want to come under with me and him. So we'll definitely take you by the hand and walk you through and make sure that you understand, you know, I'm not going to say the principles, but the things that you need to do to get you through the finance, to get you to where you want to be financially, okay? So again, this was just a short video of something else that I went on and invested my time to do the research first, and now actually took the leap of faith, and I put a little bit of money in, and I'm going to see what happens in the next few days. And again, I'll leave the link in the bottom of the video in the description. I'll be more than happy to talk with you. I'll leave my Facebook information at the bottom, and definitely come on and join us in Forex King. Again, I'm making passive income. I do not want to rely on a 9 to 5. You have to start somewhere. Tell yourself that every day. You have to start somewhere, okay? So again, I'm Lena. Till the next time in the next video, have a great day, and I want to thank you for watching my video, and the link will be in the description if you want to come aboard, okay? So you have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.